Bro, you are not popular. I'm telling you. You are not popular. Anyone that is deceiving you, say you're popular, saying you'll be our NPP, that person is lying to you. I'm telling you on authority. You are not popular. It was a mention video in Agyapong, and I'm trying to say he's the most popular person at NPP because we'll be a name. But I'm telling you on authority, saying, no, create. You should video anybody here. If it didn't come.
Ghana for Nimono at the 7. Opa, Yanyachi. Even aha, cramming free. Opa for the school for bra. Your bachelor who is Canadian Japan. And he's Montua Meso. I mean, could be near you. Yeah, Muamunia Mahama. President Mahama. Only a Kufu the choir. Olusu. Now we are you lose 1.7. Now be the abetroso. So Mahama call you will continue here 8 years and wasaba until there's hope there 1.7 mesaba. Yeah, mass kakre. You show money ma crash for baby. Simple mathematics. Where the teacher or obeti me actually. I'm not a mass master. Ah, okay, and you heard it. Where the mass master. Or say 1 million votes is equal to 8 years. Therefore, 1.7 million votes is equal to X. Let's find X. Let's find X. So we need to know or the 1 million votes to know in the working. Now we are the 1.7 million votes. How many years now bet you now we see any entity of a Meme kura na omaduane kura be di enyame de because mediate something aduane kura di enyame de young men nyina no na kire mo nware because sika ni ho adwuma ni ho. Is that what we want? We want a man that Ghanaians in the history of Ghanaian politics make what na say obanyini mo de money afi. There is no Ghanaian na why you know asi was so be contest here. Wherever you go, Ghanaians themselves are saying, bring this man and we'll vote for you. Bring this man and we'll vote for you. We have to listen to them because 650 delegates, meaning 133. Muko no. Na de ori kalu omu nyina to mamwana. Because omu so to aba. Enti omu atu aba e kan ho a yebetimi awini. I'm telling you, sir, bring this man and we are all going to vote. Chinchina amuse obiako bako enti yansantua no so yankotena opposition. Oti ye fa yibo ohianti mfifira ete okura wonti se fa no ebo. For only 10 months old. Now you better 8 years, 12 years, 16 years. Ti mesro. Mo mama chance. Se mentimi anye one term one. Mo tunti. And I assure you, the over 2 seconds, the Agyapong has won the flag bearership of NPP party. It means NPP is back to power because I win hands down. The Bawumia Wai-NPPfuo power, Madam. God bless you.
Sure. So you're popular. Hey. When I catch you, who deceived you? I want to ask you a question. Who actually deceived you that you are the most popular person in the New Patriotic Party? Who actually deceived you? No. Who deceived you? You are not. Oh, Dr. Bawumia is popular than you. Someone has been vice president for 8 good years. His picture is everywhere. Even in Columbus, if someone was the vice president, as of today, they don't even know the vice president of this country is Professor Jenano Pukwajiman. All of them will be saying Dr. Bawumia. Japan, I'm telling you on authority, you are not popular. No one knows you. The time that you used to be popular, I'm telling you on authority, you are no more popular in the New Patriotic Party. Dr. Bawumia is the most popular person in the New Patriotic Party after former president Nana Akufo-Addo. I'm telling you, today, politicians in the NPP are active politics. No one is popular than Dr. Bawumia. Across the country, everybody knows him. Bro, I can show you a picture to kids. And I'll ask them, who is this and who is this? They will be able to identify Dr. Bawumia by you. They will not. Who's Kennedy Agyapong? Who knows you? Bro, no one knows you. Bro, Dr. Bawumia, everybody knows him because he was the vice president. He was a flag bearer of the NPP. He went to all the 276 constituencies across the country. Everybody knows him. Look at the third year way. It's everywhere. They are wearing it. Bro, nobody knows you. Nobody knows you. Nobody knows you. Don't be lying to yourself. We'll be anymore. I'm telling you on authority. I'm telling you. Nobody knows you. So bro, don't lie to yourself. I'm telling you. If someone is actually deceiving you that you are the most popular candidate or the most popular person in you, then bro, people not cast assembly chair no control. I'm telling you, you are not popular. No one knows you. It's very funny that if you say people what you wanna say, Mudu baby and Simon fucking Japan baby. When I catch you, those people that are telling you that they are in this people, I'm telling you on authority. Those people that what also track money by more canon. I'm telling you on authority on in this and they will never vote for you. They are just pulling your legs. Just make a mistake and come. You will see. You are very funny. You even the NPP, you got 37% in the last election. This time around, you're not going to even get to 20. They're going to show you where power lies. You there, you just lie to yourself. On that very day, you will see. You will see your smoothness level. And that very day, that is where you know where you stand in the political party in your woman. We, the NPP, this party, we, the NPP, will show you in Japan where the power lies. We are the delegates. We are the delegates. We are the delegates. We will show you where the power lies. You just be online. You come and meet us on the grounds. I've told my colleagues. I've told them. We are going to vote against you 200 times. I'm telling you. There is no way you are going to win. You can Japan. I'm telling you. So keep on deceiving yourself. Say you are popular, you're popular, you're popular. You're popular in your house. Popular in your house. Nobody knows you. They knows you. Clear off. Nobody knows you. I'm telling you. Nobody knows you. If be anymore me catch you. Skip on. You think you have the right to talk to people the way you want, but no one has the right. You gotta be joking, bro. You gotta be joking, bro. You're serious, what's it? Serious. Because there is no, I'm telling you the honest truth, there is no way you're going to win the election. So you better start finding something else to do with your money. Every day will be a factory. Mr. Factory. Every day they open factory, Mr. Factory. Hey, every day they open factory, Mr. Factory. Every day people are going to be just when what are you say or baby at their factory. What are they way? Or because baby at their factory. On phone we because baby baby or baby. And so you don't say it. Factory that you opened in your hometown, a good. The delegate in your hometown say a common they can't even get something to eat, bro. I'm telling you the honest truth. You are a liar and you've been lying to yourself. How long? Ghana and 70 I'm just so any promise.